I go wandering once again back to the seasons of my youth, and I recall a box of rags that someone gave us, and how my mama put those rags to use. They were rags of many colors, and every piece was small. I didn't have a coat, it was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, sing a repeat, love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. While she sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors. Joseph won, then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it. Mama blessed it with a kiss. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags that I wore so proudly. Although we had no money, I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors that mama made for me. So we purchased on my breeches and holes in both my shoes. In my coat of many colors, I hurry on to school just to find the others laughing and making fun of me. In my coat of many colors that mama made for me, and I couldn't understand them, 'cause I felt I was rich, and I told them all the love my mama saw in every stitch, and I told them all the story mama told me what she saw, and why my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes. They didn't understand, and I tried to make them see one is only poor, only they choose to be. It's true we had no money, but I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors that mama made for me, made just for me.
Aha, nĩngatha nĩ gũikara mĩtambo-inĩ ya Kameme TV tabarĩra tienge Ririmbuka show, na rĩrĩ nĩ ihinda rĩrĩa tũkoragwo Tukibonga. Ngwĩrire ũthiũ harũkie tũ boots ka jeans na ka God Papa, tondũ mũthĩ njorua itũ nĩ nyarari ya nyĩmbo cia country music. Ekĩra God Papa acoke anyite guitar, arekagia mũrũri biũ, na ta mũrũri ona thaka akĩrĩ naguo arĩho ũkĩgayo. Aingĩ nyuma mũtambũrĩte nĩ kũina live music, na nĩwe Esther Konkara. Esther, karibu.
Thank you. Bona.
Uga hau mbere-inĩ. Esther.
Uguo nĩguo cowgirl ciĩtĩkaga.
Uguo nĩguo wĩtĩkaga.
Ĩni.
Thengiũ mũno nĩ gũka gũkũ gwitũ.
Asante sana.
Rĩu rĩ, ndĩrenda tananjia, ndĩrenda andũ makorwo magĩkũmenya. Ũkũrora kamera number 3, twĩre marĩtwa maku, kwanyu nĩ kũ, kana wĩikaraga kũ.
Njĩtagwo Esther Konkara, the country girl. Ninaga nyĩmbo cia country music, na nĩ ngoragwo ndĩ mũini wa nyĩmbo cia gospel. Njiarĩirwo kũndũ gwĩtagwo Ndeia, tene gwĩtagwo Ndeia ng'ombe. Rĩu nĩ kwarĩithagia ng'ombe nyingĩ mũno, no kĩona no nginya kũngĩakiumire cowgirl. Ndeia nĩ Kiambu County. Ũthiaga Limuru ũkanyita country road, ũgathiĩ kũndũ gwĩtagwo Ndeia. Ĩni.
Na ndona nĩ ukire na jamba jorua. Wanaimba na wanacheza instruments. No nyende ukorwo kimanyifanya introduction. Kana make introduction, kana ni boy child make introduction.
Boy child rĩu yaragĩrĩrio nĩ girl child. Ũguo reke ndĩmĩarĩrĩrie. Hawasikii Kikuyu, so hawaelewi sana venye unasema, lakini they are members of my band. Tukoragwo na band ĩtagwo Esther Konkara in the band. Na tukoragwo turegio na makĩria mo, no tũtingĩhotire gũka ũmũthĩ tũrĩ ithuothe. Anaitwa Robert Jumba, niwe ũtũthakagĩra guitar ya lead. Naye anaitwa Michi Frank, ni keyboardist wetu, na tuna wengine wenye wakuja leo. Yes.
Sawa sawa. Rĩu mwĩrore-inĩ ndĩrenda kũmenya wĩini waku rĩ, wanjirie rĩ.
Gucianda mbiri kuina ndĩndai.
Waje wĩikia magũrũ.
Tondũ njiguaga mami akiuga ati ndaigua gita ikigamba ngabururuka muno niguo so no ndakiambire kuina kuma ndekana na kanini Sunday school na shule ngaikorwo presentation cia heanwo ndiagaga turimbo ndirutite uguo ngakeina no riu professionally ndambire kuina 2013
Ndaigo uhoro wa gita ka kwanyu kwe mundu ungi wathakaga instruments kana kuri mundu ina baka no winaga kwanyu kana
kegiro wito baba itu ni ainaga no ainaga kwaya ainaga kwaya ine ya kanitha na mami ni ainaga kwaya ya kanitha no baba ni endete gita muno na ni okaga nayo mucii so kuma hindo ndekani ndakuririe nyonete gita na baba ni athakaga hanini na ni ngadmaya kumenya guthaka gita so my interest ya guthaka gita ya birthday mwana munini no riu my father dari professional guitarist ku ndagiandutire kiria ndeka no kumirorera githaka ngona ni atiareka
no akurutire guthaka
ndagurire gita yakwa he mwindi winaga atire wa country music. I bought my first guitar when I was 14. I bought my first guitar when I was 17. Ndaima cukuru na ndandikirwo wira wa warimu hando na ndarihagwo 4,300
wira wa
kuthomithia
warimu
ga primary school kari hando 4,300 ndarihwo mucara wa mbere ndagurire gita
yatagwate magaithia ndikorona na ngimenda gutwika menda gukorwo no mainageri mundu akamenya ni umaga hana nginya ugakinya hari uri
ndathomire school yetagwo Ken Academy ikoragwo kundu gitagwo Kerwa na mucara wakwa wa mbere ndagurire gita kagita kari kanini we na ndiamenyete guthaka no riu ingionire mundu rathaka gita hanini ono kone kanitha hando ndathiaga mwiranyoni hanini ngamenya kodi ĩmwe igĩrĩ no later ni ndahiro scholarship ngithie cukuru yetagwo National Youth Talent Academy na kuu ni kuru ndarutirwo guthaka gita na uhoro wa wini all round na kuu niko twacemanĩrĩire na Michi Frank na kiokite kurutwo guthaka keyboard na uhoro wa music production
ugikora ri ni nyimbo iriku wathikagiriria muno
country twathikagiriria country music kana gospel baba ngiakuirwo kina rwimbo rwa dash rwa gikuyu ahuragwo no riu nyimbo cia country ri baba ni aciendete muno kugo yo ni music ire ithitwe ni yo njega ni baba kiraga Jim Reeves Dolly Parton onako tutiwe githungu hindi to twakiria nyinyire wiguaga nyimbo cina melody thaka no kenda gita so ni twerutaga muno twina my sister munyinyi kuongera na rimwe tukageri kwandika ciugo no ko tiranyita exactly maraiga na nginya twathi high school ni twainaga muno ci nyimbo cia Dolly Parton
riu tanjira tiriri ndirakoraga YouTube ngona ni wekaga gospel music
na no njikaga
na ugicoka riu nyirometie muno country music
ika ciere by the way
nikigatumire uigwe to unyite ciere kana gwise ni gwita muno muntu ni gwita muno country music gwise ni undu wa guthikiriria ugikura na kurerwo na nyimbo icio ugakorwo mwena ucio ni ura kunyitirira muno
country ri ni na ndaruti kwandika nyimbo ni ndarimetwo kwandika nyimbo cia gikuyu tondu kaingi wandika music urigana music iro thikagiriria muno na so ni undu wa kumenyera guthikiriria country music ndiahotete initially kwandika nyimbo na gikuyu no hari mundu wani challenge ira kinjira wewe ni mkikuyu lazima ujue kuandika no ni undu wa gukorwo kanitha-ini na ndanaina muno kutongoria youth na riu ni ndari na ungai thiini wakwa na so in my composition ni gatunga nyimbo cina message ya Ngai they may not necessarily be country again worship na ke so country music ndimeinaga as a career niyo putagi bills on my table no gospel music ndimeinaga ita calling ni undu wa kuria Ngai andutite ngagia na message cia gucokia ngatho na ku worship kugo ciere citwaranaga hamwe
ni
hari na balance fulani na nikio he extreme itathiaga
haya Mitch nini ilifika wapi ukaanza kufanya country music venye mlipatana ulikuwa unafanya what type of music?
I was doing nilikuwa nafanya any kind of music.
Okay. You were in another band or something of the
Yeah, I was in another band. Okay. Though alikuwa wamemeja na rumba.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we were doing rumba, reggae, blues, R&B. Then I met Esther Konkara. We started doing country. And so far so good.
How does it make you feel doing country music?
It's great. It gives me a good feeling. In blue band. Yeah.
Okay. Robert,
you makes him a Rasta cowboy.
It makes a Rasta cowboy
without a hat.
A Rasta cowboy without a hat.
Yeah.
Robert.
Yes.
Na wewe je, country music mlipatana nayo wapi ama ulikuwa unafanya country music hata way back?
Music, it's like I was inspired by these old wazirs. They could play the santuris, you know, country, and you grow up on it. Although you want to learn guitar and your father tells you, no, music, no music for you. Music in your hood. But then when I was in the university, I took it up as a hobby. But then I found I was majoring in country music. That's where...
How does it make you feel?
It made me abandon my career to music full time.
You abandoned your career?
Yeah.
Ulikuwa unafanya kazi gani before?
A lawyer.
Oh, you used to be a lawyer?
Yeah.
Wow, passion, eh? Passion. Esther, sasa ninaenda kumenya in the industry ya Kenya, no, who do you look up to? No koragwo kirora iguru konaga neraruta wira mwega kana no don't work akorate ni recordete maybe it's in a band no koragwo kirora iguru.
Nigora look up to Ruben Kigame. Ruben Kigame actually ni ngekora digane mu Kenya todo country music sigethako nyingine cia America no ni ndaigwa nyimbo hau baba kanjira ucio ni wa Kenya no waigure araina you actually doubt Kigame akoragwo muhunjia, he's a singer, he's a music producer na Kigame no juga ni my musical dad to na ria ndire kuina ni ndathire kinya gwake mucii na ngimwira who I am na I was just a nobody na akinyita wega muno akini inspire na akihoera na akini bless
Kungwa ni akumulite ni akoretwo akiwalk nawe ni
muno ona twana perform na rimwe once in a while na so ni nyendete values yake tondu being a musician sometimes ikora ni tomaga mundu a lose values no mundu ta Ruben Kigame ni maintain status yake as a Christian as a pastor na agakora na ile na country music na bado ni arahota ku balance that with other factors of life
ni wega gukimwira kaundu kumugeithia kana gu kamera diko sokia gatha
Ruben Kigame pia si Mkikuyu so he may not get it when I say it in Kikuyu but I just want Mr. Ruben Kigame who is my musical dad to know that I really appreciate him and I look up to him for mentorship and inspiration and I'm really grateful for the far I've come because it took him praying for me and inspiring and encouraging me. Yes.
Kugera manisha o mundu othe nenda kunyitwo goko wera uri angikorwo akiruta.
Yes, adimu mona to ginya mundu akuhe besha, mundu no akuhe moral support. Na mundu ko believe in your dream, it means so much. Ogo raigwa Robert yakiuga a lot of people especially youth arama kwa makienda go pursue talent. Maba kuhurwo gutweni aciari to muciari aba kuona music is not a career kugo ona dagi ko bless no wathi na ku njoga kora mundu ungi ona koroti wanyu akaona what you have na career good words akona Esther you'll become something ni udocio ni utuma mundu athi a very big mile. Yes
tarundo na you're very good in country music. Ogina nyimbo cigana cia country music?
in how long?
No, in a concert. Ogito event. Maybe overnight. Ogina nyimbo cigana cia country music?
Tuina ugakia. Tuina kuma.
Is it nyimbo cigana?
I'm not really sure. The country music because nyimbo very long. Kaigeko between 3 minutes and 4. So okay, now back to back kuma kedota tuseme saa 4 ya usiku up to 3 am. Mshonyimbo nyingi.
What is your favorite country music? Country song?
Kira hiyo kirito ni ndiko na favorite country song because ukoraga countries or rwimbo country he urero ko rokiuga and every song is important in its own way. Country music cia wendo, cia digano, cia mishie. No ukoraga no ukoro rwimbo wendete na niro heartbreak. That doesn't mean it's the best song.
No niro kubikoraga rimwe ugethi gwetha bokariga kauga ngai karimbo gakari. Wathi kuruga urakora noko.
Something it's on top of the world. On sea. Such a feeling coming over me. There is wondering most everything I see. Got a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I wouldn't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is not coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, is because
explanation I can find. Is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world.
Dia kana tomu adapt tumikaraga guku. Good music.
Thank you.
No nyenda gukora ngimenya ukuperformaga ku kana mukoragwo muthia gu perform ku nyimbo cianyu.
Yeah, I go to specialized in corporate events to perform weddings, dinners, kana regiuga ko holiday to the tone mukawa fulani tukaina kuo. Yes, na nitwainaga ginya makanitha because I'm a gospel artist as well. Kugore mu negitabo makanitha ndero changanya country na zako za Kikuyu.
Ugatukania. Kuma hindira bajire kuina country music. Ne etagwata what kind of feedback kana andu mamericivire atia kuma hindira wajirie ri no ndiria ndu tamanyo teire country music kana ni undu ukete ugikuragia kahora ginya gakinya hau.
Okay, initially yari na challenge todo andu matiesiragia andu young type no tuine country music. Country music andu gimwe ni andu akuru. So andu ingia our age mari cynical mudu akarigo country ego twarako. But twiragwo whatever dream you have ukame pursue without ndukagwa guyo no kuradu acio ngimatiretikia. Let them believe in it when they see that ni actualized. Kogo giambia ni hari na to challenge to andu kona maka ni to kona gukinya ha. But today country music ni jitikire kufiu Kenya na to Kenya ni ginya Africa tondu ni thieteja ya Kenya na ga perform in other countries. Na gona country music ni yendeto few kwaja ginya ni andu young type.
Na tukiri horo wa kwendo ginya ni andu young, there is an event, kuna event mwinayo ira come up.
Tuna event ya country music barbecue.
Ni ari?
Igakora mweri 12 mweri wa 5.
12th May.
Kundu witagwo Kiserian. A Marshall Lodge.
A Marshall Lodge. Adiki andu magikorwo makirigirira guka.
Ndio tukakuwa tuweka everything country. Heki ndio line dancing. Line dancing ndio andu madansaga country.
Rameka gawa.
Mugafagara ini house. Tukiimba watu wata dance, bonfire zitakuwa, tokie kimwaki kineneja. Tondu country ni maundu macio mega ma muturire.
Kwariga no nyama na no menya Kenya.
Nyama choma ni kwa wiki. Country music goes with meat.
Yes.
So na nigo akoro na media coverage, it's a big event. Kogo andu ira the medete country turama welcome. Na mundu umwe kuingira ni 2,500 lakini mkikuja mkiwa couples ni mundu arariha 4,000.
Kogo moka murieri nitaka maanisha 2,000. No
wari hawe ka una ni wega mundu asari mundu yi.
Mundu tare na mundu wake ni muigwa.
Haya. Na hakuna transfer. Okay, actually that money irain ka kirio karia gukakona nyama choma
kugwera rira ginya irio
na irio na andu ni magakuona bathi kuma haria Kencom haria maraima Nairobi marehwo to the venue and back. So hiyo pesa ni very cheap actually. Tondu irakita maundu maingi muno. Ningere country music is expensive, you know. Ugo kidogo kiothe wendete no nginya ukarihira thogora. So ukiriha 2,000 uke utinde ugikena uine uria nyama choma tungiuga mbeca ni nyingi.
Haya arafu ri mwaka uyu what should we expect from you? Maybe maybe hena kaudo nwajite kure kwa music yaku ya country to darore YouTube rakora yothe ni gospel gutina nyimbo country ina genre ya country.
Kuna kamoja tu yeta I was waiting ndo akonire
asa huteria ni gogirikanaga diakonire
kaina godrere
huteria hanini arafu utanahutia ndio wene social handles yaku.
Okay, adu no matukinyire na page to etagwo Eskon the band. Eskon ni ESKON the band. Kana ni my personal Facebook ni Esther Konkara na Esther ni ESTA Konkara ni KONKAR. Na no matu inbox hau.
Udura magia dai. No tutana thie no makagure sere mwaki sitagwo mwaki to ni quick fire ni sire nyihenya kogo ni kujibu.
No kuno juge pass.
Haya ndo gyo pass. Haya Dolly Parton kana Kenny Rogers. Choose one.
Dolly.
Boots kana heels.
Hey boots.
Long hair kana short hair.
Long.
Cowboy kana office boy.
Cowboy.
Kamurati na kana whisky.
Karia.
Muraihu kana mukuhe.
Tall.
Fuda kana barathi.
Horse.
Idathi kana KDF.
Black Forest.
Chips kana bajia.
Bajia.
Mwero kana muiro.
Mwero.
Esther kana Konkara.
Wote combine.
Negatha muno nĩ gũka ntokana nĩ nyuka gũkũ gwitũ ũcio auma Esther Konkara ũngĩenda kwaranĩria nake no ũthiĩ mĩtambo-inĩ yake ya Facebook tũgũkorwo tũkĩrora mũhuhu wa nenda-inĩ hamwe nake kahinda gatarĩ karaya reke ambe atũinĩre Esther changamshe
B flat.
I say, let me tell you a secret about a father's love. A secret that my daddy said was just between us. Daddies don't just love their children every now and then. It's a love without